आज की इस वीडियो में हम एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं विच टॉक्स अबाउट इकोनॉमिक वायबिलिटी इज क्रूशियल फॉर हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस. लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द मैटर. So institutions need to reduce their operating cost without compromising on quality. Now see, there has been a constant debate on as to how the quality of the institutions be increased so that the institution can cope up with the global demand, right? So institutions need to reduce their operating cost. At the same time, operating cost needs to be reduced as stated by the minister, which is an area of debate again. But yes, the quality of the institute shall not be compromised. Upgradation of universities is required, and value based education is strength of the society. Of course, देखिए वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन जो है ना, ये एथिक्स पेपर में आ जाता है. आपके एथिक्स जीएस पेपर नंबर 4 में काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. सो वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस, इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सोसाइटी. ये एक डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट भी आ सकता है. इसके ऊपर आपको लिखने को आंसर लिखने के लिए कहा जा सकता है कि आप इसको एलेबोरेट करिए, राइट? सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विच आई हैव हाईलाइटेड इन दिस आर्टिकल इज एनहांसिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द यूथ is critical for country at this stage, right? So of course enhancing the capacity of youth is very required, and because the country because the potential of this country is the youth, the young generation. So their capacity needs to be enhanced, right? Next point which I have highlighted here is effective coordination and team spirit among the stakeholders, right? So stakeholders is the universities, the students. There has to be integrated approach, right? Need for the integrated approach, effective coordination and team spirit among the stakeholders. Focus more on innovation, science and technology, research skill, experience to convert the knowledge into wealth. So yes, the knowledge needs to be applied somewhere so that it can be economically productive. So the knowledge needs to be converted into wealth. Needs to work on the decentralization of the industry. इसके बारे में मैंने पिछले आर्टिकल में भी बताया था आपको. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में बताया हुआ है, ठीक? एंड वी नीड टू फोकस मोर ऑन एग्रो एमएसएमई सेक्टर. Government is planning to introduce vehicle scrappage policy, right? So what does it mean? Vehicle scrappage policy is something that the left out of the used up vehicle can be reused, recycled, right? So that it does not anyhow harm the environment, because these left outs are not biodegradable. So these needs to be recycled. So this will give boost to the automobile manufacturing industries, right? So this was an small but very important article which I wanted to share with you, right? So if you like this video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel for the regular updates on PIB. I will only deal with the important PIBs, right? And I'll always highlight the important points so that it becomes easy for you to take it down. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. And yes, please subscribe to my channel.